All right, let's talk about the cross behind the back stretch. So this is great for loosening up the lats, the upper back, as well as even the shoulders and arms. So if you're more flexible, then you won't need a towel or even maybe a yoga strap, but if you're like me where you're not that flexible, then you probably will. So simply put, you'll be torso straight up, sitting on the ground. One hand will reach low, the other will reach high. And you want to attempt to grab your fingertips together and gently just letting it fall into that stretch. Now, if you can't, such as me, just use a towel. You can grab one end of the towel like such. And you'll hold the stretch on one side, repeat on the other side. You should feel it nicely in your shoulders as well as your upper back and even arms. And that is the cross behind the back stretch.